Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Excel custom formats. Now there's basically these 10 kinds of format that you can use for formatting your data. To start off, let me write down some numbers that we can use for formatting. These custom formats are segregated by 4 semicolons, and they are like this: positives, negatives, zeros, and text. COVID. Okay, what we can do is select the area we're going to format, use format cells, and then we can go for custom. For more details, you can observe these formats because it's sample format that you can use for formatting your data. Okay, to start off with hyphen, use these are for for creating commas for the numbers. Like, okay, you can see the sample over here. This additional comma at the end of the custom shows converts the number into reduces number by 1,000. This is helpful. It basically shows as reduced number, but in actual it is the same number as it was. It's just formatting. So you can use at each additional comma will reduce the number by 1,000. These are separated by, again, this is separated by semicolons for negative numbers. Now, okay, both numbers are converted into thousands. You can use zero for creating dots, decimals. Now I want to color this as blue and this as red. Now you see that traditionally a negative number is denoted by a negative sign or in brackets. But here what I've done is just format the numbers in such a way they're denoted by colors. Okay. If you want to show it as a negative number, a negative sign, you can place a negative over here, or you can put it in brackets. Oh, sorry. Okay, now you see that these numbers are not properly aligned, so we can use an escaping character, that is this underscore, and the next value what it does is it creates a white space to the size of the next character that it has used, that you have used. Okay, you can see these positive numbers are aligned with. Now for zero, we instead of the number 0, we can write 0. Okay, and we can also put a space at the end so it aligns perfectly. White space with brackets, so it's aligned with these numbers. For the fourth placeholder, like COVID, whatever you can use the placeholder for denoting the character that already been used, and then you can write whatever you want to write for COVID-19. Okay. Okay. Next, we are going to use escaping characters. Okay, if for example, if you want to use hash, not as a character characterizing the format, just as a hash. So what you can do is you can use backslash and then that special character that they've used. Okay, so you can see this number, this hashtag hash is written over here. Let me remove it now. For this kind of situation where you have multiple decimals and you want to align it perfectly with this one, you can use, instead you can use question marks so that it aligns perfectly with it. Okay, you can see it is aligned perfectly with it, although it does not have decimal value, but it's still showing number. You can use decimals, so you see it has perfectly aligned with that. You can use, okay. Then what has we left for here? Okay, you can use star for creating multiple numbers of the same kind. For example, I have used over it a star, and we're going to write at the rate of. Okay, so it's going to continue on to the size of that cell. Okay, basically that's it for today. Thank you. This video was sponsored by my Fiverr gig. Please visit for any technical help. Thank you.